if you're new here, just hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to like this video. And comment down below what videos you guys want to see from me. Video suggestions or anything. Today's going to be a little bit of a different video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I remove my polygel nails. It's probably a little different from other people, but I'm pretty sure it's like it has a lot of similarities. So we're just gonna get straight into this video and how to remove these nails, because we're gonna be removing these nails today. I had these nails on for about 2.5 weeks, damn near 3 weeks. So actually I had these nails on for a while. As you guys can see, it has a lot of growth. It has a lot of growth, but it doesn't have any lifting, which I'm super proud of because I've been working on my, application and stuff. So it has like this gem actually popped off, but that's the only thing that actually came off. If you guys are wondering what these nails are, because I didn't make a video on these nails, it's because these nails are the extra long purple fall nails that I did. I just cut them down and did like a little design on them, because if I just cut them down and left them like that, then it would just look ugly. So I just cut them down and made like a little design on them. I just left this finger. If you guys want to see how I did this, you guys can go check out my TikTok, because I actually did a video. I actually did a TikTok on these nails. And yeah, we're just gonna get straight into this video. So the first thing you need is aluminum foil. You're gonna need some 100% pure acetone, because that's what you're gonna soak your nails in, because like alcohol wouldn't work, so it's just only 100% pure acetone will only work for soaking off nails. Then you're gonna need some paper towels. I actually cut way too much, but I pre-cut these. You're gonna need some nail clippers. I have some straight edge nail clippers right here. And then you're gonna need like any type of scraping tool so you can scrape off the polygel. So I have my old cuticle pusher right here. And then you're gonna need a nail file. Well, yeah, actually you're gonna need a nail file to like after when you're done taking off the polygel, you're gonna need it to file off the excess polygel that you have. You don't really need this, but I'm gonna be using this today to kind of speed up my process. I'm gonna be using the e-file to file down the bulk of the nail, so that would be easier to scrape off and faster to come off. So first off, I'm going to start off by taking my nail clippers and clipping off these nails. So I'm taking these nippers right here. I'm using that to take off these gems. So I'm going to be using this bit today to remove the bulk of the nail. So these are how the nails look after I found out most of the product. As you guys can see my natural nail. It didn't hurt. You just have to be comfortable with the you have to be comfortable with the e-file, to be honest. Like this bit right here, I got it from, I think I got it from AliExpress. It's to remove the bulk, but it has like a safety end. So like, if you're a little scared to go to your cuticles, it's not gonna hurt you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some acetone and I'm just gonna drench this paper towel in acetone. And I'm gonna hurry up and place it on the nail, on my nail, and take my aluminum foil and then wrap that around my nail. And then you just squeeze it, and then it just kind of just like stays there. You're just gonna leave these on for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's better if you leave it on for a little longer because longer is better. So leave that on for like 5 to 10 minutes and I'll be right back to you guys. So I'm back. It's been like, I think it's been like 10 minutes. Okay, probably like 9 minutes, but I couldn't wait any longer because, you know, I'm really impatient. But I'm gonna start taking these off now. I'm gonna take the back of this cuticle pusher and try to like remove all this excess oil gel that's still on the nail. So these are how my nails look, you guys. They look pretty jacked. They look pretty bad. So I took out most of the polygel without like kind of harming my nail. I'm going to be going ahead and using my e-file. I'm gonna go ahead and take my cuticle scissors. I'm just gonna cut the excess cuticle off. I'm gonna go ahead and take this circular bit right here and go on my cuticles and remove all the excess cuticle. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clip off the growth of my nails. Now I'm going to take my hand file and smooth out the free edge. Now I'm going to take some 70% isopropyl alcohol and just dampen up this piece of paper, and I'm just going to wipe off the dust from all my nails. So these are how the nails look, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and add some cuticle oil. This is the finishing touch, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what other videos you guys want to see from me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.